In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an $80 Wayfair promo code. While it's important to note that specific $80 promo codes are not publicly available, there are several savvy ways you can significantly save on your Wayfair purchases. Let's explore those options together and make your shopping experience both rewarding and budget-friendly. First and foremost, consider participating in Wayfair's Way Day. This is their largest sale event of the year, occurring twice annually, where discounts can soar to a staggering 80% off on a wide array of products. If you're planning a purchase, it's definitely worth timing your shopping around these sales events. Mark those dates in your calendar and take advantage of the incredible discounts offered during this time. Another method to maximize savings is by browsing the sale and closeout sections on Wayfair's website. These areas are brimming with daily sales that can offer up to 70% off. In addition, be sure to explore the closeout deals, which can extend savings to 80% off. These deals are featured not only on Wayfair's own site, but are also highlighted on offers.com and Coupon Follow. Both platforms provide valuable insights into the latest deals and can help you snag the best prices without missing out. While pursuing these options, it's crucial to maintain a sense of balance between want and need. Wayfair's selection is vast and can be quite enticing. Approach the sales with a list or a clear idea of what you need for your space. This will help you remain focused and avoid the temptation of impulse purchasing, which can detract from your actual savings. Furthermore, it's a great idea to subscribe to Wayfair's newsletter if you haven't already. By doing so, you gain access to exclusive promotions and early notifications of upcoming sales events. It's a simple way to stay updated while receiving direct alerts on your savings opportunities. To enhance your overall shopping experience, be sure to pay attention to user reviews on products. Reviews can be an incredible resource for understanding a product's quality and any potential issues, enabling you to make informed decisions and increase your satisfaction with your purchase. In summary, while you might not find a direct $80 promo code floating around, the combination of Wayday savings, sale, and closeout sections, and being strategic with your shopping habits can lead to significant savings. Keep these tips in mind as you navigate through your shopping journey on Wayfair, and happy shopping!